have seen last couple of years, people and organizations are talking about AI. Some of them implementing them very, very, efficiently. But when I see, there are different settings in an enterprise and an organization where tools are available, but people are still reluctant to use it. So I would ask you that what would be more harder thing to build the agentic AI, to build that technology, or to create trust in people so they can actually use it?
Okay, most of the people actually who are afraid to adopt the AI, they're actually working in high risk environment,
Okay.
like financials or any place where you think there can be disruptive changes. If
Okay.
I ask AI to actually buy shares like $1 billion share
Yeah.
and made mistake, that's a huge one, right?
Absolutely.
So first of all, AI adoption would be done in the low to medium risk areas where like it can be a CSR, it can be a calling agent, it can be any person who's actually doing the repetitive job.
Okay.
Then goes to the medium one, an e-commerce suggesting app or predictability app, how different people react to that, an employee onboarding, and there are many more examples of that. Then comes the high risk part.
Yeah.
So to your question about adaptability,
Yeah.
enterprises are mostly working in high risk one. So
Alright.
they are working in fintech, they are working in high stakes one. So what they're doing is they are actually creating different type of proof of concept that if they can actually work with those high risk actions or not.
Yeah, but I mean, there are some certain domains, I saw them, some people in those domains that they are now quite actively using the AI part. Like, if we talk about one industry, that is the BPO industry, the customer support is, going on the AI. The AI shift is very, very rapid in that domain. So, how we can convince people to actually use it? Is it about the practice? So they first they need to practice it, and without practice they cannot do this. Is it something like this?
I would define that in one sentence actually. So if you actually if the job is about run by the book, that can be shifted to AI. If the
Okay.
job is not about run by the book and requires a dynamic decision making, then you can't go with the AI.
All
But
right.
there are like more than 90% domains or jobs or actions available in there that are mostly run by the book. So if you talk about the CSRs, yes, they run by the book.
All
If you
right.
talk about e-commerce, they run by the book. If you talk about supply chain,
Yeah.
they run by the book. By the book, what do we mean by the book? By the book means there are rules to actually start,
Absolutely.
engage, action, perform. So whenever you call an IVR or any place like that, you call them or inquire them something, they will say, okay, this is by the book.
All right.
We have a domain or task relevant to this one, then yes, AI will help you out more than 100%.
So there should be a certain criteria on which
Yes.
they should be performing,
Yes,
right?
yes,
All
that's
right.